Hello guys, what's up? This is whbproductions and welcome to my channel. This time we are going to be making an awesome design in Canva, which is a free tool, online tool for designing your day-to-day stuff. So this will be YouTube video thumbnail, and we are going to be going over the basics of Canva. So stay tuned. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is just go over here in Google and search Canva, and you can select this link over here. After selecting this, you have to just go ahead and sign up. You can sign up with Google or Facebook, or create an account. So I've already have an account, so I'm just going to press login. I'm going to log in. So once you have logged in, then your interface is going to look something like this, and you can select anything you want, like poster presentation, Instagram post, a video or logo or anything. But for this, we are going to create a custom design. So we are going to click create design, press the custom dimensions, and the width is going to be 1280 and the height is going to be 720. We're going to click create design. Then this page is going to pop up, and you can select these templates that are already present over here, and you can see that this is totally customizable, and you can change the text or anything, change the color of the text, and there are a lot of templates over here, but for this purpose we are just going to create our own design. So we are going to leave this blank. Press Ctrl Z if you need to delete something. I'm just going to go ahead and import my picture. So I'm just going to decrease the size, just minimize it, and then I'm going to drag my and drop my picture over here. So this will be a cooking channel thumbnail. So I'm just exporting the cookies over here, and you can just resize this by pressing down shift, or you can just right click it and set image as background. So once this is done, I'm just going to go over here in elements and add my elements. I'm just going to press this shape, drag it over here in the middle, and then I'm going to just increase the height because we are going to place our text over here. Just going to increase this a little bit. Now we need to just right click this background again and detach the image from the background, and I'm just going to increase the size of the background and just place it a little towards the right. Be sure to press shift while you're resizing. So I think this looks great. So once you're done, you can just click on this blank space over here, and now I'm going to just add my text over here by pressing this. You can see that there are a lot of different fonts that you can select, but for thumbnails and for cookies, I think this one would look best. I'm just going to click it once, and this is going to bring this up. So I'm just going to click over here and delete this portion because we only need a few words in the thumbnail. It's better to have few words because this will make it eye-catching. Now I'm just going to click over here once, press Ctrl All, and I'm going to write my text. How to bake cookies. Now once you're done, you can just go ahead and select the color of the text. I'm just going to select this color, which is light coffee color. So it's good. It's looking good over here. I'm just going to bring this text over here, and I'm just going to position this properly. I think this looks fine. Now let's just add a little bit of improvement to the design and go towards elements again, and let's search cookie. This is going to be the clip art. So once I've searched this, you can see that some of these are not free and some of these are free. So you can select anything you want. So I think this one looks good. I'm just going to bring it over here and just decrease the size a bit. So this looks great over here. Now these cookies definitely do look tasty, and I'm not going to lie. And this reminds me of a time when you want to just eat all of those freshly baked cookies from the oven, but you really can't because you're on a diet. And so, anyways, this will complete our tutorial for the Can basics of Canva, and you can see that this thumbnail has become really attractive and very easy, very simple. And now you're just going to go ahead and uh, press this button over here and select the download, and you can just select the any size you want or any file format. This I'm just going to select PNG, and you're just going to select the download. And once your design has downloaded, then you can use it on your videos or anything anywhere you want. So this will complete, and so this, yes, if you want more tutorials like this, and so please go ahead and subscribe this channel, and like this video and share it as much as you can, and I will hope to see you guys in the next video.